Changed by the glamours, ooh, flowers, flowers. First class, up in the sky, popping champagne, living my life in the fast lane. I won't change by the glamours, ooh, flowers, flowers. Love golden diamond rings, all them things don't mean a thing. Chaperones and limousines.
Hey y'all, it is the next day. Mama's hair is done. I'm so happy, y'all. Oh, this is today's outfit. I just like, y'all already know I like simple. Target, I got this thing from Target. I tucked her in the bag because the jeans are high waist and I just feel like I need some skin to show that like we got some definition and structure going on here. So I believe these jeans are also from Target. Some really long jeans. I have on my, I can't even remember what these are called. But I got them from DSW. These are my little cute little heels and my Tory Burch bag. Oh, this is my hair, by the way. I just got like the goddess like ends. We was at the shop until like 2 a.m. Her assistant didn't come and she was like, I forgot you had so much hair. I thought I could do this by myself. But we stuck it out and we got it done, baby. Look at these parts. Like, I have always wanted to do this. This claw clip moment. Cut it. Anyways, it is 12:03. I have a client in about 2 hours. I need to go to the grocery store market because I'm literally out of groceries and I need to re-up on all of my stuff. And I only shop at Central Market because I'm just that girl. Let's go to Central Market.
But he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like ice, how you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, her money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't no fake. Saying they love me but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini rolling when I hop at the truck. Pretty like Lauren with a big butt, yup. Pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, her money too. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
Okay, y'all, we back from the I need white light. I don't like this at all. To be back stopped. I got my Olipop, y'all. Olipop sponsorship coming soon. Speaking into existence.
I found the street with a house in which she stayed. I'm a diaries full, every name on every page. Cause I read to where you falling enough for me. I'll try again one day you'll see. Your hands under my pillow so I sleep. And I'm dreaming of you, the noises on my feet. I'm obsessed with you in a way I can't believe. Tell me wipe your tears, do you wipe them just for me?
Hey y'all, so I just finished my clients for the morning. It's currently 1:32. I need to go and finding an outfit for this event I'm going to tomorrow. And yeah, so the only option I have is really the Galleria. I just put on another outfit. I wanted to wear my tennis shoes, but y'all, the amount of heat that's outside, like I just feel like if I put tennis shoes on, my body won't be able to cool down properly, and I ain't got time to be just sweating. So I'm just wearing this, very simple. This bag is from Shein. These bottoms are probably from Amazon, and this shirt is from Target. They have the best simple basic shirts and crop tops and all of that. I feel like I'm not in focus. And I'm honestly just putting on my Jesus sandals today. Anyways, I will see y'all when I see y'all. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button, because if you're watching, I know you're loving the content. Just go ahead and click that subscribe button and help your girl out and build this channel and build this brand, because we're becoming a full-time content creator, and that's on period. Okay, bye. Made it out of the Galleria alive. Found me some shades. I really wanted, which I'm still gonna get these Tory Burch shades. Passenger seat in the Range Rover. Anyways, I was just talking to my Instagram story, and I was like, you know what, let me really talk to the girls, because Instagram, I feel like Instagram be getting the pieces of my brain all the time, and I don't really be talking to y'all on here. Like, I love coming to the Galleria because it's just seeing, like, this area is the vibes. Galleria, River Oaks, this is my vibe. And them there, like, I don't see myself, like, driving, like being the driver in my future. I see it very much so chauffeur, very much so I gotta drive it, very much so somebody gonna be driving me around. But passenger seat luxury, you get what I'm saying? Passenger seat in the Range. What the slow it down. Passenger seat. Oh, I need to take a left. See all this I gotta think about, and I can't talk to my camera. This is what I'm talking about right here. Ooh, I'm in the middle of the street. Maserati. In the Lamb truck. In the big body Benz. In the G-Wagon. In the Rolls. That's just the vibe. That's just the vibes, y'all. Like, and it just feels good because I know it's coming. Tell me she ain't cute. Tell me. Tell me. I like these for real. Yeah, and the braids have stepped it up. Chioma, I want you to know that I love you, girl. And if you ever need me, I got you, because the way that I'm a whole nother person, new character unlocked, it's ridiculous how I'm... Hey y'all, so it's the next, I don't even know what day it is. Today is the day of the influencer event. I'm wearing the outfit I got from Zara. I wish I would have got the pants just a little bit bigger, but I didn't have time to wait in line for the dressing room and all of that. But it looks like, they look good. They're just like fitted. I just wanted more of like a loose vibe, but it's all good. But right now, I'm about to go to brunch with some family. I'm also using the Lancome Lash Idol. They sent this to me. Yeah, they sent this to me in some of their graphic liners. Am I okay, y'all? I went out last night, okay, and y'all know I don't do that. A piece of me doesn't like the earrings like I thought I would, but this is the outfit. Y'all, am I even alive right now? Top is from Zara. Linen pants are from Zara. Bag is from Shein. I have one, my little jewelry I always wear, my rings. And these earrings are also from Zara. It's my Laneige lip balm I always wear. No, you good, go ahead.
Yeah, my mama took her to pasta one time, and we looked in the oven but she made it, but she used to go hunting for the...
They got excited when that came on.
They was getting all down.
She didn't know the dance, but she was just up there twirling around.
Yeah.
It was funny. They gave us a couple more strawberries. It's this one little strawberry. Good up over there. Hey everybody.
Give me the drive.
Yes, please. That would be great. Hi. How do people do this? Because I've just been feeling freaking tired all day, literally. But just left the Galleria with the family. It's currently like 3:30. I'm not starving, but I'm hungry. Like, I'm sitting in front of Velvet Taco over here in the area where the event is. So I just passed by, and you know, it looks like, you know, cute vibes and stuff. So I'm just gonna probably be there for an hour, just like fill it out, get some content, be cute, take pics, meet some people. Feeling the vibes. Like, I don't know if y'all know, but I'm feeling the vibes. Like, he on the way. Like, I'm feeling the vibes like he on the way. I'm feeling the vibes like, yeah, like it just is what it is. Like, going to the mall and like, babe, yeah, I like this one. What you think? Yeah, okay. Well, I can't decide, so I'm gonna just get both of them. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's not even the stuff. It's just the fact that somebody else is stepping in and handling stuff for me. That's what I want. Like, I'm a princess. I'm a princess. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to think like I'm not even a princess. I'm a brat, and I'm okay with that. You know what I'm saying? Like, just do it. Not in like being rude, but like seriously, like, get it handled, please. I can only be so soft. Oh, I can only be so soft because I just have to have a little round. I just have to have a little round. Like, keep it spicy.
Are you working, baby? Are you working tonight? 'Cause I got a brand new bag, oh yeah. I just touched down in Miami, babe. Make it rain on your stage any given Sunday. The baddest bitch that's in the mirror wants to love somebody, start a rating. We just talk for months about what she wants.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome to Summer's Mind, the influencer event of the summer period. We're gonna have some fun today, and I'm so happy you could be here.
I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty.